Good morning students. So next we will do our question number second of exercise 5.2. So question is choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So this is MCQ questions. So the first part is 30th term of the AP. 30th term. It means you will find A30. 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 and so on is. So this series is given. So in this series, the first 8 is what? A is 10. First term is 10 and the common difference is how much? A2 minus A1. So 7 minus 10 is minus 3. So you will find here 30th term. Means you will find A30. Now the formula for A30 is A plus N minus 1 into D. N is here 30. 30 minus 1 is 29. You can write 29D. Now what is A here? A is 10 plus 29D. D is common difference minus 3. Now plus minus minus. And 29 3s are, it is 87. Now 10 minus 87 is minus 77. So it means 30th term of this AP series is minus 77. So which is the correct option? Option C. Now see the second part. 11th term of the AP. 11th term. You find A11. 11th term of the AP is minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. So this series A is minus 3. So write here A is minus 3. And the common difference is how much? It is minus 1 by 2 minus 3. Minus 1 by 2 minus first term. First term is here minus 3. So first open the brackets. Minus minus plus 3. So by taking LCM, it is how much? Minus 1 plus 2 3s are 6. It is 5 by 2. So the common difference is 5 by 2. So put here A plus 10D. Because the formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. N is here 11. So 11 minus 1 is 10. So 10D. Now what is A? A is minus 3 plus N minus 1. N is 11. So it is 10. D. The value of D is here 5 by 2. Now 2 cancel with 10. 2 5s are 10. Minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. And 25 minus 3 is 22. So the 11th term is 22. So the option is B. Here students, so this is the second question of exercise 5.2. Now see the next third question. In the following AP, find the missing term in the boxes. So you can see here, there are following series in which there are some missing terms. So you have to find them. So in the first part, 2 blank 26. So in this series, there is only one missing term. So you can see here the first term is here 2. Second term is missing and the third term is 26. So first term is A1. So you can say A. So A1 is here 2. A2 is missing and the third term is 26. It means A3. A3 is 26. Now we know that the general term of AP series is A plus N minus 1 into D. So A plus N minus 1. So in this third term, N is here 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And its value is 26. Now what is A? A is here 2. Because the first term is 2. So it is first term A. 2 plus 2D. So we don't know the value of D here. So you can find it first. So write here 2D is equal to 26. Or 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. And 26 minus 2 is 24. Or what is D? D is 24 by 2. So D is 12. So it means the common difference is here 12. Now we can find here second term. So the second term is A2. A2 is what? A plus N minus 1 into D. N is here 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And 1 into D is D. Now what is the A? First term. First term is 2. And the common difference is 12. So 2 plus 12 is 14. Means the second term is 14. Now similarly can find the other parts. In second part, the first and the third term of the series is missing. First term is missing here, second term is 13, third term is again missing, and the fourth term is 3. So, second term is 13 and fourth term is how much? 3. ठीक है, इस सीरीज में मतलब हमें दो वैल्यूज गिवन है, एक सेकंड टर्म की और एक फोर्थ टर्म की. सेकंड टर्म इज a2 and fourth term is a4. So what is a2? a2 is written as a plus n minus 1 into d. n is here 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 into d is only d. Its value is how much? 13. And similarly, the fourth term is written as a plus 4 minus 1 into d. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So we can write here a plus 3d. Its value is how much? 3. So you can solve this equation 1 and equation 2 by elimination method. So first change the signs. Now plus a minus a is cancelled. Plus d minus 3d. It is minus 2d. And 13 minus 3 is 10. You can write d 10 over minus 2. And 10 over minus 2 is minus 5. Which means the common difference is here minus 5. Now we can find here first term and third term. So now put the value of d either in first equation or in second equation. So put here d, a plus d is equal to 13. So what is d here? d is minus 5. So write here minus 5 plus minus minus. Now take this minus 5 on the other side. It is added to 13 and 13 plus 5 is 18. It means the first term is 18. So write here 18. Now what is the common difference? The common difference is there minus 5. So now you can subtract 5 continuously to its previous term. So you can see here 18 minus 5 is 13. 13 minus 5 is how much? 8. So it means third term is 18. You can also check by using the formula. A3 is what? A plus 2d. And what is A? A is 18 plus 2d. Value of d is here minus 5. Now plus minus minus 2 5s are 10 and 18 minus 10 is 8. Means the value of third term is 8. And the last fourth term is given, which is 3. Now see the third part in this series. First term and fourth term is given here. It means the missing terms are which one? Second and third one. Clear students? So first term is 5 and the fourth term is 9 1 by 2. So 9 1 by 2. This value is in mixed fraction. So see here. So first write this a. A is 5 and a4. A4 is 9 1 over 2. So convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. It is 19 over 2. Now you can find the second term and the third term. So we know that the formula for A4 is how much? A plus 3D. A plus 3D. So it is 19 over 2. Now what is A? A is here 5. 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 over 2. Now take this 5 on the side. So by taking LCM you can solve this. What is the LCM? LCM is 2. So write here 19 and 2 5s are 10. 19 minus 10 is 9. 9 by 2. Now cancel the 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So what is D? D is 3 over 2. So D is the what? Common difference. So the common difference is here 3 over 2 and the first term is 5. Now you can find second and third term. So write here A2. What is A2? A2 is A plus D. What is A? A is here 5 and D is 3 over 2. It means so write here 5 plus 3 over 2. So by taking the LCM, it is how much? 13 over 2. 13 by 2. So you can also convert it into mixed fraction. So in mixed fraction you can write 6 1 by 2. How much? 6 1 by 2. Now find the third term. The third term is A3. A3 is what? A plus 2D. What is D? A is 5 and D is common difference. It is 3 over 2. Now if you cancel this 2 with 2 and 5 plus 3 is 8. It means the value of third term is 8 here. Clear, students? So now see the next fourth part. So in this fourth part, there are 4 missing terms. First, second, third, fourth. There are 4 missing terms. And the first term is here -4. And then this, which one? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sixth term is 6. It means the value of first A is -4 and the value of A6 is 6. So you can find the A2, A3, A4, A5. You can find there 4 missing terms. So first, you know that the formula for A6 is how much? A plus 5B. Now what is A? A is here -4 plus 5B is equal to 6. Now you can write 5 is equal to how much? 10. Take this -4 on the other side. It is added with 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. And B is what? 10 by 5? 2. So the common difference is 2 here. Now we can find A2, A3, A4 and A5. So what is A2? A2 is A plus B. What is A? A is -4 and D is 2. So -4 plus 2 is how much? It is -2. So right here is -2. Next is A3. A3 is how much? A plus 2D. So D is here 2. 2 2s are 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So the next third term is 0 here. Again A4. A4 is A plus 3D. 3D. D is 2 and 3 2s are 6. So -4 plus 6 is how much? 2. So the value for fourth term is 2 here. And the last A5. A5 is A plus 4D. Again D is 2. So 2 4s are 8 and -4 plus 8 is 4. It means the value for fifth term is 4 here. And now see the last fifth part. So in this fifth part, the first term, third term, fourth and fifth term is missing. Again there are 4 missing terms. Second term is 38 and this one, which one? Sixth term is -22. So write here A2, this is A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. A6. A2 is given 38 and A6 is -22. Now what is the formula for A2? A2 is A plus B. A plus B is 38 and the formula for A6 is A plus 5B. It is -22. Now solve it by which method? Elimination method. So take your sign, ठीक है, प्लस का माइनस और माइनस का क्या होगा? प्लस. Now this plus A minus A, it is cancel. Plus D minus 5D, it is minus 4D. And this plus 38 plus 22, it is 60. So what is D? D is 60 by -4. So D is here -15. So common difference is -15. Now find the first term. So first you can put this D in this first equation. So what is A? A plus D. Value of D is -15 is equal to 38. Plus minus. Take this -15 on right side. Now it is 38 plus 15. How much? 8 plus 5, 13. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So the first term is 53. First term is 53. Now next you can find here A3, A4, A5. Here students A3, A4 and A5. Now the formula for A3 is A plus 2B. A4 is A plus 3B and A5 is A plus 4B. Now what is D? D is minus 15. So 2 into minus 15 is minus 30, and minus 30 plus 53. How much? It is 23. ठीक है students? A की value 53 है और D की value हमारे पास minus 15 है, minus 15. So plus minus minus 15 to the 30 and 53 minus 30 is 23. Now the next is A plus B. A is coming again 53 and D is minus 15. So plus minus minus 53 is a 45 and 53 minus 45 is 8. So the value for fourth term is 8. Second term is how much? 23. This one is 8. Now find the A5. A5 is A plus 14. A is 53 and D is minus 15. So plus minus minus 15 fours are 16 and 53 minus 60 is how much? Minus 7. So the fifth term is minus 7. Clear student? So in this way you can find the missing terms for the given AP series. Clear student? So this is your question number 2. Thank you.